And the big buck today, it's clear now that the Vote Adhikar Yatra by Rahul Gandhi is at the centre of the opposition's election campaign for Bihar and perhaps even later. And that's why many members of the India bloc are joining in one by one, determined to project a show of strength and unity. Yesterday it was Telangana CM Revanth Reddy. Today it was the turn of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, and soon Akhilesh Yadav will also be joining forces. But today it was a north-south double-barrel attack on the Election Commission, the BJP and the centre, with both M.K. Stalin and Rahul Gandhi saying that elections are being stolen and the whole process has now turned into a joke. Listen in.
என்னோட சகோதரர்கள் முன்னெடுத்துள்ள இந்த போராட்டத்தை வாழ்த்துறதுக்காக தான் நான் இங்க வந்திருக்கிறேன்.
इसी अन्याय के खिलाफ मेरे भाइयों ने जो आंदोलन छेड़ा है उसे समर्थन देने के लिए मैं तमिलनाडु से आया हूं.
தலைவர் கலைஞர்களும் நாடுகளும் மிக நெருக்கமான நண்பர்களாக இருந்தார்கள்.
हमारे नेता कलेक्टर करुणानिधि जी और लालू जी बहुत घनिष्ठ मित्र रहे.
नरेंद्र मोदी वोट चोरी करके, वोट कटवा के, वोट बढ़ा के चुनाव जीतता है और नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह की मदद हिंदुस्तान का इलेक्शन कमीशन करता है.
That's right. The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister didn't just attack the election process and the Modi government, but also explained the long and shared history between the two families, between the families of Lalu Prasad and M. Karunanidhi, between Tejaswi Yadav and M.K. Stalin, between Tamil Nadu and Bihar. But here is where things got awkward, because Mr. Stalin may have been talking about Tamil Nadu-Bihar Bhaichara today, but not so long ago, he and his party didn't have entirely charitable views on Bihar, its language, its people, their habits, and the religion that a majority of them practice. From calling North Indians Pani Puri Walas to declaring that speaking Hindi makes you a construction site worker, to even calling all Hindi-speaking states Gaumutra states, the history has been long and checkered. But naturally, questions will be asked about the sudden change of heart, and so those questions were asked.
What audacity the BJP has to speak about pride or anything. Shamelessly they come here and ask for votes after derogating, after ensuring that people of Tamil Nadu are shamed in Orissa elections. The Prime Minister Modi spoke about it. Mr. Amit Shah spoke about it. They asked, how can a Tamilian go ahead and rule Orissa? And the advertisements, disparaging advertisements against Tamil culture was propounded, was propagated by the BJP, and now they say, oh, you have spoken against Biharis.
डीएमके के दयानिधि स्टालिन कहते हैं कि बिहारी तो तमिलनाडु में शौचालय साफ करने आता है. आज स्टालिन जी वही डीएमके के नेता जिन्होंने गाली दी, आज स्टालिन बिहार में थे. क्या संदेश देना चाहती है कांग्रेस पार्टी, आरजेडी, कि जो बिहारियों का अपमान करेगा, उनकी अस्मिता को ठेस पहुंचाएगा, उनको स्टार प्रचारक बना दिया जाएगा.
रेवंत रेड्डी जिसने कहा, इस रेवंत रेड्डी ने कहा कि बिहारियों का डीएनए है मजदूरी करना, मतलब बिहार के लोग मजदूरी करने के लिए पैदा हुए हैं. ये रेवंत रेड्डी का बयान है, और कांग्रेस वाले उसी रेवंत रेड्डी को मंच पर बैठाकर घुमा रहे हैं. इनको लगता है कि बिहार का सारा आदमी बेवकूफ है.
And so the questions today on which the buck stops here are, will the North-South show of unity actually sharpen the India bloc's vote chori attack, or will the anti-Hindi, anti-Hindu politics of the DMK come to haunt the Mahagathbandhan in its Bihar campaign?